Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, if you want to add a before and after section just like this on your WordPress website, then this video is right for you, and you can do this without having any paid plugins on your WordPress website, step by step, easily, without any developer need. So let's get started. But before actually starting, if you are new on the channel, please do subscribe for more such useful videos. So in order to add a before and after section easily, what you need to do is you need to simply install a new plugin which is called Royal Elementor add-on, and of course this plugin is only compatible with Elementor page builder. So if you are using Elementor page builder, then of course it will work. So you need to search for Royal Elementor add-on in your search box. Once you search it, you will see a plugin that is called Royal Elementor add-on and template. You need to simply activate and install this plugin. I have already installed and activated, so that's why it is already there. Once it is done, now come back to your WordPress dashboard. Now whatever page on which you want to add this functionality, you can just simply click on edit with Elementor, whether it is a page or post, doesn't matter, both are compatible. And once you click on edit with Elementor, you need to simply create a new section. So let me create a new section. So by the way, this is the countdown timer which we discussed in the last video. So if you want to add the similar kind of countdown timer in your WordPress website, then you can go for it and watch the previous video. So here I am adding a new section, Flexbox, a simple section, and then click on plus, and from here we will search for before and after. So we will just drag and drop, and since it is marked as R, so it means it is a part of Royal add-on widget. Now you can add two pictures, before and after. So we'll say upload picture 1. So we can say that upload picture we can download from Google, or you can use your picture. So I will use just some random pictures. So it is a before picture, and in the after I will use some other picture. Of course it has to be relevant. It has to be relevant to before and after. And so when it is done, now you can see the image resolution. You can change it to full or any other thing. Direction, horizontal or vertical. Vertical is a pro version, so you can keep it horizontal. Trigger, click and drag, mouse hover is a pro version. Select icon, that is caret or angle. This icon will be changed, right? So we'll use just arrow like this. And labels, of course you can do that, before and after, position, right align. And now how it is work, if I change it, publish it, and go to the preview so that I can show you how it works. And if I go to this section, and now if I see, so you can see this is how this works. So you can show your user a beautiful experience of seeing before and after image of any two images that you want, and they will be mesmerized to see this kind of experience on your WordPress website, which you created in just couple of minutes using a simple and effective plugin. So that's how you can use this feature on your WordPress website without any problem. And guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice